Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Editors, where we solve your tech problems one step at a time. If you've opened your Quicken and suddenly your transactions seem to be missing, don't panic. The data might still be there, it is just not showing the way you expect. This often happens when the sort order in your account register is accidentally changed. And the good news is, it's super easy to fix. This issue is not that big, however, we have seen users panicking in such situations. So before you go ahead and follow any instructions or you make any change in your Quicken file, the first step always to follow is to create a backup. Whether you're using a Windows version of Quicken or it's a Mac, it doesn't matter. Go ahead and save a backup. In most cases, you will see the list of your accounts on the left of Quicken window. Go ahead and click on one of those accounts that has problem with the data. Now here's a quick example. If you take a look at this register, all these dates are fumbled. They're all badly scrambled. Nothing is in the order. And that can be your case too. So the first thing in the register area, notice at the very top you have this column header where you see all these tabs for date, payee, category, amount, balance. In this area, all you need to do is you need to click on the date tab once, which is going to sort the dates in the right order, and you will probably see your data aligned correctly. Just one click will probably fix the problem. If it doesn't, go ahead and click on the date button one more time. That will fix the order the way you want it to, and all your transactions should appear back in the register. And that is it. This was the only fix you needed in your Quicken to fix missing data problem, or you can call it like a transaction sorting problem. That should be all taken care. Apart from all this, if you have really lost your data in Quicken and you don't know what to do, we made a dedicated video about restoration of data in Quicken and how you can actually scan for the data files. You can go ahead and check that video out. I'll attach the link in the description below. If this video helped you, go ahead and hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe Crazy Editors for future tech tips, tricks, and solutions. Thank you for watching. Until next time, you take care of yourself and I'll see you in the next one.